Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add subtitles to your videos using Adobe Premiere Pro and HitPaw Edimakor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use both tools to add subtitles. Let's get started. First, let's open Premiere Pro. Now I just added a video clip to my timeline along with an audio clip. Then we go up to the top left corner and click File New Captions. In the pop-up's first drop-down, I'm going to select Open Captions. Now let's drag the captions on the main timeline. Then drag your caption clip so that its duration matches your video's duration. After that, you can see each caption you add will be represented by this black bar on the caption clip. Double-click that black bar to type your caption in this box. Now you have your text. Now you can change the font size of your text or the position of your text here. Another useful thing you can do is change the caption's opacity by clicking the square and dragging the percentage value. Next, you can adjust the duration of your caption so it lines up with the first section of your audio. You can do this by dragging the ends of the black caption bar on the clip. In the Captions panel, you can add more captions by clicking this plus button. As you can see, your second caption will keep the formatting of your first caption, which is useful. Okay, once you're finished adding captions, go to Export your video. Under the Captions tab, you'll see export options that will let you burn your captions into your video. Create a sidecar file, or simply not include them. Alright, that's how you add subtitles to your video in Premiere Pro. Let's jump into HitPaw Edimakor. Open HitPaw Edimakor and create a new project. Import your video and add it to your timeline. Click Text in the toolbar and we can see there are many different text font styles and templates. You can choose your favorite text and drag it into the timeline. Now you can adjust its duration to fit your audio clip by this black bar on both sides of the text clip. Also, you can adjust the size, position, and text style of the subtitles in the right panel. If you want to add more text, you can repeat the steps I just told you or select the text clip you already have and Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. As you can see, your second text clip will keep the formatting of your first text clip. You can drag this new text clip to fit the next audio clip. More than that, HitPaw Edimakor allows you to use AI to generate subtitles. Auto subtitles can recognize human voices in audio and video and automatically generate subtitles. You can click Selected Clip to only get subtitles of the clips you want. Or you can click Main Timeline to generate subtitles for the whole video. Another useful tool is Local Subtitles. You can upload your video script file here. And after it's loaded, you can drag it to the timeline. And you will find that the subtitles have been automatically placed. Moreover, if your video script is in text or Word format, you can click Manual Subtitles. Select Paste Words and split them into subtitles. Then copy and paste the text here. And you can separate it wherever you want by pressing Enter. Click Generate Subtitles. And your subtitles will be automatically generated and separated. Isn't that easy? Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please comment below the video. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next video.